Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 3 former executives charged in connection with a scandal-hit investment firm Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, had their bail extended when they appeared in the Supreme Court today.
Former Director Hugh Croskery, former Montego Bay Branch Manager Sarah Meany, and former Chief Executive Officer Zachary Harding are scheduled to return to court on April 27, 2026 for the continuation of case management.
More in this report from Raquel Porter.
The matter began earlier today in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court, but was transferred to the Supreme Court by way of a voluntary bill of indictment, a move that allows the Director of Public Prosecutions to fast-track serious cases without a preliminary examination. When the matter was called up this afternoon, the court was told that the 3 are charged with multiple offenses, including carrying on security business without a license, issuing securities without a license, as well as failing to maintain a trust account. The other charges are taking deposits as an unregistered entity, borrowing foreign exchange without a license, operating a company in Jamaica without being duly registered, and fraudulently inducing persons to invest. The court was also told that the case file remains incomplete. As part of their bail conditions, a stop order has been imposed and the defendants are required to surrender their travel documents. Meanwhile, King's Counsel Caroline Hay, who is representing SSL trustee Cadian Campbell, raised concerns about her client being brought to court in handcuffs. The issue was later addressed. SSL collapsed in January 2024 amid allegations of a $4 billion fraud. Last month, members of the security forces and the Financial Investigations Division carried out search and seizure operations at 4 properties linked to the accused in St. Andrew and 1 in St. James. The fraud first came to public attention in January 2023. Former SSL employee Jean Panton was charged in February that year, and a case file was submitted to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in December 2023. Wellgen Limited, a company owned by Sprint legend Usain Bolt, is among more than 200 clients affected by the collapse of SSL. Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.